I think a good leader is somebody who is willing to be vulnerable. They have the trust of the people who they are leading, and they have the ability to, see the big picture and see where everyone's fitting into it and come alongside their team members and just walk the journey with them, meet them where they're at and then help them along the way. So that's about as simplistic as I can explain it. And I really think what I learned to do through the process is just, admit when I'm wrong, to show people it's okay to make mistakes and learn together because we all can improve. Just because you're a leader definitely doesn't mean that anybody is expecting perfection. It just means that that person is willing to put in the time and effort to mentor folks to, where they need to be. So I look for somebody in a leader that is relational, who is vulnerable, who is willing to have difficult conversations and not put them off, but also have those difficult conversations from a place of truly wanting what's best for the person they're having it with,
Mm.
so honest and just having a direct and kind conversation with somebody from a place of love rather than a place of condemnation.